All right, hello, YouTubers. This is Rich, and this is my channel, Light Street Creations. Sorry, it's been a very long day. I'm tired, and I wanted to put out a video real quick. So tomorrow is Halloween, and one of the things that I did is this little vase, flower in it, Halloween ribbon, something that I made to try to sell in my craft fair booth. It sold. It did pretty well, but I got a bunch left over. So Halloween's going to be over in 2 days. What do I do? I'm going to change out the ribbon, put one of the Christmas ribbons in there, and a Christmas flower. Just take out the flower, put a Christmas flower in there, and that's it. So the question is, how soon should you put out your Christmas items, or how soon should you put out your items before the holiday? I personally like to do 2 months in advance. So if it's Halloween, early September, Christmas and Thanksgiving, I like to do Thanksgiving is right before Halloween, and then Christmas is right after Halloween, and then Valentine's Day is right after Christmas or right after the New Year. Then I start doing the Valentine's Day stuff, and then on throughout with Easter and 4th of July back to Halloween again. So that's just what I like to do. This video is really quick, last minute, wanted to put it out. So hopefully you like what you're seeing. Hit the like and subscribe button. This is my little twig pot, my little vase, live edge, and I can sell it year round. Just change the ribbon and change the flower out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. How do I turn this thing off?